First, the basics. When you open the box you will find the thermometer and the instructions. It is important to read the instructions and understand all warnings before use. Next, find some AAA batteries and insert them as shown. To operate the thermometer, simply press the trigger. The trigger is the on button, and also the measure temperature button. To operate, hold it this way up. Hold the thermometer 1 to 5 cm away from the forehead with the front pointing towards the target in the middle of their forehead. Designed for use on a human forehead. For use with adults or pediatric patients. If readings seem incorrect, check instructions and verify with another option. The person having their temperature taken should see this. Move hair or sweat out of the way and make sure the sensor isn't obscured. Hold the trigger and let go of the trigger once the temperature appears on the screen or it beeps 3 times. Read the LCD screen. This number in the middle is the temperature. To be more accurate, take the temperature 5 times with 30 seconds between and average them. Important. If the temperature of the area the thermometer is in changes by too much, give the thermometer 30 minutes to between 15 and 40 degrees Celsius. It is not waterproof. If it is being stored or isn't being used for a long time, take out the batteries. Don't mix old and new batteries. Extra features. The thermometer will show you colors depending on the temperature measured. Green means no fever unless it says the word high, which means it is too high to be a person. It also means you can record another temperature. Yellow means a possible fever warning at 37.4 to 38 degrees. Red means 38.1 or over, which is a fever. Cool down or see a doctor if the target has this reading. Other than the trigger on button, there are 3 others on the side: set, memo, and mode. Press the mode button once to switch between body or surface. You can see which mode it is on because the word body or surface will be displayed on the screen. Body mode is for measuring human foreheads. Surface mode is for liquid surfaces such as drinks or baths. You can see them here. Next is the memo button. The memo button, short for memory, shows you the last temperature taken when pressed. If you press it again it will show you the one before that, so on. It will keep doing this until it reaches 50. It can only hold the last 50 temperatures. To clear this data, hold down the memo button until it says CLR, which stands for the word clear. Next is the set button. The set button will turn the volume on and off if you press it once. If you hold it down it will take you to F1 mode. If you press it once from there it will take you to F2. Do the same to get to F3 and F4 modes. F1 mode lets you change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press mode or memo once to switch between them. F2 mode lets you change the temperature, which will trigger a fever. Used for different people and environments. The default is 38.1. F3 mode lets you change if the sound is on, just like if you short press. F4 mode lets you change the starting temperature. It starts at 0 and you can increase by pressing memo or decrease it by pressing mode. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support.